Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to look at auto assigning a voice VLAN to a VoIP phone that's plugged into a Fortiswitch managed by a FortiGate. Um, this, as you can see here, this is something that's not super easy on the Fortiswitch, or at least very clear on how to do it, like it would be on a Cisco Meraki switch or a Ubiquiti switch, where it tells you like voice VLAN, and then it gives you usually another checkbox to auto assign. It's not that straightforward on the Fortiswitch, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at that today. Um, as an example that I currently have set up, I have a phone that's plugged into my LAN network. Um, it's getting an IP address on my LAN network right now, 192.168.1, but I don't want it to get that network. I want it to get my voice network. So if you can see here, my home LAN 192.168.1. What I wanted to get is this guy, 192.168.176.1. I'm sorry. I wanted to get an IP on that network, right? That's my gateway. So as you can see here, I do have the voice VLAN allowed, and I have it labeled as voice, but it's still getting a 192.168.1 address. So in order to do that, there's no, as far as I know, I mean, you could use, I believe, like the MAC-based detection and change this to a NAC policy-based port. But we're just going to kind of do it the old-fashioned way here. So the only way to do this is we have to change and edit the LLDP profile, right? So one of the things that I like to do is I like to come in here, hit this little gear icon right here, and click on the LLDP profile and apply that. That'll get me visibility into what LLDP profile is currently enabled on all the ports, right? So let me do that. And then let's turn off some of this stuff so I can make it a little cleaner here. And let's drag this guy over. There we go. Make it a little easier to see all on one screen. Right, so the way that Fortiswitches kind of come out of the box is they're all going to be enabled with this default auto ISL LLDP profile. And what this does is it allows you to connect Fortiswitch to Fortiswitch. It builds the FortiLink, and a trunk is established between Fortiswitches. We don't want that. We want to change that to basically detect if there's a phone present and then assign a VLAN to that phone. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to launch the command line. We're going to do config switch controller, and I believe it's LLDP profile. And if you do show, this will just show you all of the LLDP profiles that are currently, set up on the FortiGate. So you have your default, and then you have your FortiVoice, and then it looks like you have some other ones here. FortiVoice default. Yeah. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and clean this up, and then we're going to do config. We're going to do edit default. Edit default. And we do show, we can see the different options that we have here as far as assigning based on device. So we need to get into this med network policy menu. So we're going to do config med network policy, and then we're going to edit voice. Okay. So we're in the right spot now on how we're going to get set up. So we're going to do a set status enable, and then we're going to set assign VLAN. We want that to be enabled because we want this policy to assign the VLAN. And then we're going to set the VLAN interface, and we're going to do the voice VLAN that I created, the 201. Okay. And at this point, this is all that we need to get going. So let's go ahead and let's end. Clear this up here so we can see end, and that should save everything. Now we edited the default LLDP profile, and as you can see here on the port, we have this guy right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this to default and click apply. And then just for good measure, I'll bounce the port on here. So that's rebooting. Basically what I'll do is I'll pull up the ARP table and just kind of see if I see any traffic on that guy. So let's see, diag, sniffer, packet, let's see, VLAN 201. And what this is going to do is just sniffer packets on that network. It's the only phone I should have on that network. So what this should do is this should catch the DHCP requests and then you should see traffic coming from that guy. All right, so there you go. Now you can see the fact that the device rebooted, reached out, and now received an IP address of 192.168.176.2, and is now sending DNS traffic outbound on that network. So just a quick tutorial showing if you want to get your phones tagged on their own network on a Fortiswitch, the quickest, easiest way to kind of set that up. And if you have to do it on multiple ports, typically what I do is just, you could script it through the CLI, or you could select multiple and then click the pencil and select it. I would just make sure that if you have FortiLink set up, kind of like this one right here, that it doesn't allow you, I don't think by default, but just never change the LLDP profile if that's the way that it's set up on trunk ports, because that'll break your trunk. But anyway, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.